Number 3. GoPro Hero 10 Black, the ultimate action camera that will take your footage to unprecedented levels. With its revolutionary GP2 processor, this camera delivers snappy performance and double the frame rate for incredibly smooth footage. You'll be blown away by the 23-megapixel high-resolution photos and 3K video at 60 fps, capturing every detail with stunning clarity. The upgraded HyperSmooth 4.0 stabilization ensures your footage is always steady, even in the most extreme conditions. One of the standout features of the Hero 10 Black is its unbelievable image quality. Thanks to the new hydrophobic lens cover, your shots will be free from water droplets and lens flare, even in challenging lighting situations. Plus, the camera's fast and reliable connectivity allows for effortless wireless uploads or lightning-fast transfers via USB. What I love most about the GoPro Hero 10 Black is its incredible value for money. Compared to similar models, it offers unmatched performance and versatility. However, I would have liked to see a longer battery life, although the camera's other features more than make up for it. In conclusion, the GoPro Hero 10 Black is the action camera to beat. With its powerhouse processor, stunning image quality, and seamless connectivity, it's a game changer for anyone looking to capture their adventures like never before. Don't miss out on this exceptional product that is sure to elevate your filming experience.